what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we have the Ryobi PCL430 multi-tool. So we're going to be going through the features of this tool and I'll show you how to change out a blade. So the first thing is battery removal. To do that, there's two buttons right here. You just press them in, pull it right out. To reinstall, you just push in and it clips right into place. Next, we'll move up the tool to the trigger. And on that, you can see you could use it as a normal tool or as a normal trigger, or you can actually lock it like that and leave it on. And then to turn it back off, you just press the trigger again and it'll turn the blade off. And then here's your speed setting. This lets you fine tune the speed from 0 all the way through 6, which is pretty nice because on my dewalt, my dewalt has 3 speeds. This one gives you the option to fine tune it a little bit more. So now we'll go into how to change the blade, which is the thing I like least about this multi-tool, because as you can see on my dewalt, it has this quick change where you can just press this in, put your blade in, and you're good to go. Where on the Ryobi, it comes with this hex key right here. And on that, you have to actually loosen this. Each time you want to change the blade, loosen it. Yeah, you just want to make sure that that's seated into those pins properly. So it's just a little bit more time consuming than the dewalt. And if you're using this a lot, you'll notice that you're going to go through blades pretty frequently. So having that extra step is just a little bit more time consuming, a little bit more annoying. But if you're, your average homeowner who only uses this once or twice a year, it's not a huge deal breaker, but it is definitely a little bit more annoying. And yeah, guys, that's it. That's the Ryobi PCL430 multi-tool. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.